Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So today's video is going to be a really interesting one, and it's the what's in my bag video. I have seen so many people do these kind of videos and it's so much fun to watch. So I thought that I should share with you as well what's in my bag, and many of you guys requested it as well. So here it is for you, and yeah, let's get started. Also, if you are new to my channel, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. Before we begin, I would just like to remind you guys that I am doing a project on the makeup industry in India. I need you guys to help me for it. So what you have to do is, in the description box below, you're going to find a link to a Google form. You just have to click on that link and you'll be redirected to a form, and you just have to fill up this easy questionnaire which is related to makeup and lipsticks. It won't even take you more than 5 minutes, so it will really mean a lot if you do it, and thank you so much if you already did. And yeah, let's begin. You guys might have seen in the luxury haul video that I purchased a new bag for myself, and this is a Coach bag, and this is what it looks like. This is like a really nice dark blue color with gold detailing on it. It's really simple, but I absolutely love this one. So this is what my bag looks like. Okay, so it's a really nice handbag size, so it fits in everything and it's perfect to carry every day as well. So that's why I love this. So I'm going to show you guys one by one what's in my bag, and I really don't know what exactly is there. Hopefully there aren't any embarrassing things. So yeah, let's get started. So I have just opened my bag, and the first thing that I can see is actually this key holder. So this is from Farla, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I have showed you guys this in my earlier video as well, and this has my keys on it. So it's really easy because then I can find my keys really easily with this. And this is what it looks like from inside. I'm just going to show it to you guys. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can hang around 4 or 5 keys in this, which is really good. I currently only have one, but yeah, I really like this. The second thing which I have in my bag is actually this lip balm sort of a thing, and this is a multi-purpose thing. So you can use this for your face, for your lips, your cuticles, your elbows, your knees, and everywhere. And this is what it looks like. I got this from Bath and Body Works, and I'm just going to open it up for you guys. And this is rose scented. Now I particularly don't like the scent of roses in products, but I don't mind because this is a multi-purpose product. So if you have any sort of dry areas which you need to moisturize, you can use this particular thing. This texture is like Vaseline, and this is what it looks like. And yeah, I have been using this as well for my cuticles also because they tend to get really dry. So yeah, love this one. Next, there are a lot of receipts in my bag, and these things as well. So I had been to Sephora, and then they give you all these perfumes to test. This smells really nice. I think these are probably men's perfume. So yeah, I have these as well in my bag. I probably need to throw this out. And there are a lot of receipts as well because I shop a lot, as you guys know. The next thing that I have is this card, okay, which is like you can purchase groceries with it. So that's why I have this card. You get a lot of discounts with this. Nothing that interesting. The next thing that I have in my bag are actually lip products, and I have to have these in my bag all the time. And these are the Dior Lip Glow. This is a Color Reviver lip balm, and the second one is a lip maximizer which has collagen active in it, and this is what they look like. This lip balm is probably the best lip balm I've ever tried in my entire life, and you need to have this. This enhances the natural color of your lips and it makes them look really pink, and it's just going to moisturize them throughout the day. So that's why I love carrying this stuff in my bag. And this one is the lip maximizer, which is supposed to give you like nice plump lips. So I like this gloss as well. If I'm wearing like a nice matte lipstick and sometimes it gets uncomfortable during the day, you can just put this all over and it's just going to moisturize your lips and make them look big as well. So that's why I definitely carry both of these things in my bag. Next, let's see, what do we have? We have some tissues, because obviously if you get shiny throughout the day and you just need to blot that oil, then tissues come in really handy. Okay, the next thing that we have is actually a Sephora card which looks like this. This is a Sephora white card, and I got this for free, so I just thought that why not have one more Sephora card. I have one in India as well, but I cannot find it. So yeah, I got this one, and you get a lot of discounts, and sometimes you get gifts as well when you purchase over a certain amount. So that's why I thought that I should have this, because I have been shopping a lot from Sephora, and I should have probably done this in the beginning so that I would have got a lot of free products by now. But yeah, I did not think of that earlier. Next, we have more receipts. Should probably throw this away. This is a good way to clean your bag as well. So that's why I like these kind of videos. And the next thing that we have is this Michael Kors wallet. I have showed this as well in my luxury haul video. This has all the cash and cards in it. Nothing really interesting. And that wallet has a lot of coins, and it's so heavy, and I think that makes my bag heavy too. Should probably just get rid of some coins. The next thing that I have is, I think, the most important thing which I think everybody needs in their bag, and this is for blisters. Now, whichever shoe I wear, I have to get blisters. It's so painful, and sometimes you spend so much on shoes and yet you get those dirty blisters, and it's just painful and you cannot help it. And when you have to walk for a really long time, this is going to be really handy, because whichever shoe I try, however branded it is or however good quality it is, I have to get blisters. So this is the pack that I got from a pharmacy, and this is what it looks like. And this is like a nice band-aid, because normal band-aids don't work on my feet, so that's why I got this. Hopefully this works, because I haven't tried it yet. So yeah, this is a pack of 5. I think I should probably get more, because I'm definitely going to need them. The next thing that I have is this Abercrombie & Fitch First Instinct perfume, and you obviously need to smell good throughout the day because it's so hot over here, and you definitely need this. And this smells incredible. This is like a really nice fresh scent, and this is not too overpowering as well. That's why I really like this one. And Abercrombie & Fitch have some really good perfumes, and it was just so confusing for me to select which one I really like, but I had to go with this because it smells so good. The reason I carry this in my bag is because I have to spray this throughout the day, because no perfume lasts on me. Like, I have tried high-end perfumes as well. I've tried Gucci Guilty, I've tried Dior as well, and all of those, and Chloe as well. Nothing lasts on my body. It's so frustrating. So I have just figured out that I'm just going to carry a perfume bottle with me, and this is a nice small size as well, so it's not too heavy. Now, some people tell me that, probably you're not spraying perfume in the right areas, but I have sprayed it in those pulse points as well. I think that's what they're called. So like here on my wrist, then here behind my ear, then behind my knees, and all of those places. Still the perfume doesn't last. So I thought that I should just carry this with me everywhere I go so that I smell good throughout the day. The next thing that I have is a summer essential, and this is a pair of shades, and this is what they look like. And this is by the brand Geo Collection. I think you get this in Lifestyle and Pantaloons, and I probably need to throw this away because it's ruined already. And I think I got this for like 1,500 rupees. It was on 50% discount, and that's why I think you shouldn't get discounted stuff. Just look at this, it's already ruined. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, the color is actually coming off, which is really strange. So these are definitely not that good quality. And whenever I buy a nice new pair of shades or spectacles or anything, the first few days I'll take such good care of it. I'll keep them in their case and all of that, and then after a point they're just lying in my bag without any case. So yeah, that's the reason I think I probably spoiled these specs. Not spoiled, what's the word? So bad at English, and my vocabulary is just getting worse day by day. But this is what it looks like. Okay, I don't know if I like these so much. I probably should get another pair, but not so soon, because I really need to use these first. The next thing, one more receipt. You obviously need to have a pen in your bag because you never know when you need it. And then I have a pair of earphones, and as you can see, they're always tangled, which is so frustrating. And then I have a lot of coins, and I obviously have my specs as well, which is probably lying down on the floor right now. See, that's what I was telling you. I stopped taking care of them. And then there is another section over here which is really handy. So as you can see here, and then I always keep in my train card over here. So this is like a train pass, a monthly pass. I keep it over here, and you obviously don't want to see the picture on it because I look so weird. So yeah guys, those were all the things that I have in my bag. I don't know if this was an interesting video or not. I hope it was. And if you like this video, then make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also let me know in the comments down below which is that one thing that you cannot live without in your bag. Like you need to carry it every single day. And please don't tell me your phone or your wallet, because those are the things that you generally tend to carry. Something really interesting, I would really like to know that. Also make sure you follow me on my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. All the handles are mentioned on the screen. And last but definitely not the least, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now and also the bell button so that you get notified as and when I upload a video. It will really mean a lot to me, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.